today to provide some information to the youths associated with causing antisocial behaviour on Cwmbran Town Centre. We've had quite a really good result. We've had 10 people attend with their parents along with other agencies. We've tried to make them realise how intimidating it is for people to see antisocial behaviour on the town centre and how it can affect them.
We look to divert young people from the ASB that's happening on Cwmbran Town Centre. We invited Leon Brown, our Positive Futures Ambassador, to get involved today.
Delighted to come down here in Cwmbran Fire Station, just talking and listening really about the kids and their antisocial behaviours, and it's nice to see so many of them that have realised maybe the way they're acting has gone a bit south, and they're willing to do something about it.
ASB is a precursor for crime, and we are trying to encourage the youth that attended tonight not to go down that road.
We are on Cwmbran Town Centre on a Friday evening, 6 till 8 PM on Gwent Square, playing football, rugby, whatever the young people are interested in.
It shows that the power of sport, what it can do, bringing your kids off the street or bringing them together and just giving them a place and a bit of discipline and a place to hang around and exert a bit of energy.